I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've found yourself logged out of your Gmail account, don't worry, here's how to get back in. Step 1. Go to the Gmail sign-in page. Visit the Gmail sign-in page and click on Forgot Password. This will initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your account. Make sure it is the correct one to proceed with recovery options. Step 3. Verify your identity. Choose a verification method such as receiving a code via SMS or email. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity. Note, if you don't have access to the recovery email or phone number, you may need to answer security questions. Step 4. Reset your password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Review account security. After regaining access, check your account settings for any unauthorized changes. Update your recovery options and enable two-factor authentication for added security. I hope these steps help you recover your account quickly. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask.